It's overloaded. It's over thick.
ये लस्सी हो गया गाढ़ा कदम। ये राबड़ी है, इसका क्वांटिटी 100 ग्राम से ऊपर आता है। ये इसके बाद मलाई हो गया एकदम गाढ़ा सा। उसके बाद ये चेरी आ गया और 1 चम्मच।
So, my dear foreigners, whenever you are in India, you have always been drinking lassi. But right now, what I'm holding is a lassi. But you may not just drink it, you gotta eat it. It's overloaded, it's over thick. Look at this. This is called malai, and it has got a hint of sweetness, but with loads of smokiness, all from buffalo's milk. Ignore this cherry on top, and this is a thickened milk that is known as rabdi. This is sweeter than the malai and has a little bit more smokiness as it is reduced completely. Now let me try taking out lassi, that is the curd from here. So you cannot drink it, you gotta have a bite and you gotta gulp it down. It's damn so delicious. And for this, I have particularly come down all the way to Bihar, Khusrupur, Satpur. You can see right behind me is Yogi Ji Peda Dukan. And what he says, what he claims, that even the former CM of Bihar, Mr. Lalu Prasad, has already, come to this spot, has enjoyed, has savored this particular lassi, and a lot of ministers of Bihar do come to his shop, not just for the lassi, but for the peda as well. So if you're watching and if you want to ever come to Bihar, you gotta visit and try this lassi by yourself. And you know what the funniest part is? Right here you can see Yogi Ji, and over there you can see Modi Ji. Isn't that really funny?